That was 15 years ago this week that Hurricane Katrina devastated New Orleans and the surrounding area. More than 1,800 deaths have been blamed on that storm. Vanessa.
Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Yeah, hard to believe it's already been 15 years, and actually today has been 28 years since Category 5 Hurricane Andrew made landfall in South Florida and caused devastation to the Miami area, something that I remember all too well. I was only 7 years old when that happened, and it's the reason why I'm right here in the First Alert Forecast Center bringing you your weather forecast on August 24th, 2020. Now giving you the latest on Marco and Laura as they will be affecting the Gulf Coast region heading into the new week and bringing us some rain chances in the forecast as we head into the next several days. So keep the umbrella, keep the rain gear on standby because most likely you will need it, especially heading into the second half of the work week as we could be seeing more impacts from Laura due to some heavy rainfall. So keep that in mind. Here is the latest National Hurricane Center advisory on Tropical Storm Marco. The good news is it's continuing to weaken. Right now it has winds at 50 miles per hour, but our friends along the northern Gulf Coast this morning, they've been getting slammed with some heavy rain, some gusty winds. This storm is still forecast to make landfall somewhere along the Louisiana coastline later on today into your Tuesday, and then it will be weakening as it moves to the west into Texas as a tropical depression. We could be getting some outer rain bands from this system as we head into today and into Tuesday. So that is why we're keeping about a 40% chance of showers and storms in the forecast. Tropical storm warnings are in effect for the Mississippi, Louisiana coastlines, but this is only the first punch. The second punch will come from Tropical Storm Laura heading into the next 48 to 72 hours. Currently, it has winds at 65 miles per hour. It is moving just to the south of Cuba, but as you saw in those pictures, our friends in the Caribbean islands have been getting slammed from mudslides, flooding, gusty winds as well from Laura. Once Laura moves into the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, sea surface temperatures there are in the mid-80s, and hurricanes and tropical systems need that warm water to feel themselves to get stronger. So that is why it is forecast to become a Category 1 to a Category 2 storm right now before it makes landfall along the Louisiana-Texas coastline heading into Wednesday. But this is something that I want to stress. Anything can still change in the forecast in terms of its track and intensity. So that is why you'll need to keep it tuned to WCBI for the very latest. It will move north and northeast across the Tennessee Valley region by late week. So that is why we have the potential to see some heavy rain. Our friends along the Gulf Coast could see some storm surge. For us here, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain alone. Areas south and west, probably more. This is what our 7-day forecast has right now in terms of the rain chances and our high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s. But again, keep it tuned to WCBI as anything can change, especially heading into the second half of the week. Now here's a live look at some preparations going on right now along the Gulf Coast. Please stay with us.